autumn began and hair began to fall out? These tips can help you deal with this problem. The problem of hair loss can occur in people of absolutely any age, gender and status, which causes significant psychological discomfort and stress. There are many reasons for this. Well, with the onset of the autumn period, the problem of seasonal hair loss burns like never before. Has it ever happened to you when you ran your fingers through your hair, especially when washing your hair, and the scrap remains in your hand? This can cause panic in many people. Then you start to wonder if this is normal and why it happened. The reasons can be very different, but here are the main ones. Stress, sudden weight loss, weakened immune system, malnutrition, hormonal imbalance, genes, birth of a child, surgery, illness, change of contraceptive pills, seasonal hair loss. We will take a closer look at seasonal hair loss. Due to the sharp change in weather and the depleted level of the female hormone estrogen in the fall, the hair weakens and begins to fall out. How to find out if hair loss is above normal? On average, a healthy person loses up to 100 hairs per day, says Dr. Robert Leonard, founder and chief surgeon of the Hair Transplant Clinic and medical advisor. Typically, Caucasians lose an average of 100 hairs per day, Asians lose about 70, and Africans lose about 60 hairs. How to deal with seasonal hair loss? To reduce seasonal hair loss, you can strengthen your hair in the following ways. 1. Mask with burdock oil. Burdock masks work wonders, especially when they contain burdock oil. Warm the oil a little and distribute it over all hair, do a light massage of the scalp. Then wrap your hair with polyethylene, on top with a towel, and even better with a down scarf. Wash off the oil with shampoo after an hour. 2. Mesotherapy. To normalize the level of hair loss, doctors recommend injection methods, mesotherapy, plasma injections enriched with platelets. 3. Eat vitamins. You can also strengthen your hair by improving your diet. Eat more foods containing biotin, apples, tomatoes, oatmeal, wheat germ and whole grains, nuts, beans, porcini mushrooms, rice, spinach, cauliflower and cottage cheese. In addition, caffeine, melatonin, zinc, vitamin A, selenium and vitamin C help hair grow and strengthen it. Therefore, if you buy vitamin complexes, make sure that these nutrients are there. If hair loss is too serious, be sure to consult a doctor and go through the necessary examination. In case of seasonal hair loss, try following the guidelines above. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.